Here's Lainey's puppies after their first pan feeding. I've been feeding, they hear my voice. Hi babies, good morning. I've been feeding them separately, just a little bit at a time to transition them to their puppy food. As you can see, some of them have completely laid in the pan and they're not getting out. Oh, Blueberry, you're a mess. Bubblegum, you're a mess. Oh my goodness sakes. There's Glitter Girl in the pan. She just sat up. Blueberry and Glitter Girl laying right into the pan. And as always, Miss Rosie loves human attention. Always wants me to pick her up. What's the matter, Miss Rosie? And Forrest. Hello, puppies. Try not to reward that needy behavior though, which is just a love. But you don't want them to always, you don't want them to be needy either. That's a nice girl. Good sit. Good sit, you two. You have the hiccups, Rosie? Oh my goodness. I actually think Glitter Girl and Blueberry are going to sleep in the pan.